Bring home the Amazon Basics 7 kg fully automatic front-load washing machine and get cleaner, fresher clothes every day. The machine is ideal for families with 4 to 5 members. The washing machine features a stainless steel drum with diamond design that is durable and can handle higher spinning to give you cleaner, drier clothes without damaging them. It comes with 23 wash programs to cater to the unique laundry needs of Indian homes. The LED display panel comes with child lock facility. This Amazon Basics washing machine is designed to deliver efficient washing with minimum vibration and has mute washing function for disturbance-free wash cycle. With a maximum rotational speed of 1300 RPM, the washing machine delivers efficient cleaning and also enables easy drainage of water at the end of the wash cycle. It also features an extra rinse function for tougher stains to give more advanced cleaning. It comes with an inbuilt heater that allows for faster and more effective drying of clothes. The washing machine comes with a drum clean function that automatically removes detergent residues from the drum to avoid unpleasant odors from forming. This ensures a hygienic, clean wash every time for your clothes. This washing machine also comes with a 0 to 24 hours delay start function that allows you to schedule your wash cycle as per your convenience. This washing machine gives you clean laundry while minimizing the energy consumption, thereby helping you save on your monthly electricity bills. This washing machine comes with brand warranty of 1 year on product and 3 years on motor. You can avail the EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installing your product within 48 hours of delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10-day return or replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.